Hi there, I'm your fitness coach Sudeep. PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome is very common among women. Women with PCOS have high male hormones in their body which cause irregular periods. Overweight or obesity, resistance to insulin are some of the risk factors for this condition. Research shows that weight loss, eating high protein, low carbohydrate diet and a regular physical exercise can help treat this condition. In this video, let us understand some yoga poses that are helpful to treat PCOS. Let us begin with some standing poses. The first pose is Padangushtasana. Place your hands on the hip. Inhale, exhale slowly and bend forward. Keep your back straight. Hold your legs for support. This is okay if you are a beginner. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. If you have good flexibility, hold the big toe and bend deeper. Keep your elbows bent. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly for a minimum of 5 times. Now inhale, look up. Exhale there. Place your hands on the hip. Inhale and come up. The second pose is Parivritta Parsvakonasana. Turn towards your right. Bend your right knee. Fold your hands and twist your spine. Hold this pose for a minimum of 5 deep breaths. Notice that my left foot is at 45 degrees and my right foot is at 90 degrees. Perform this pose on the other side as well. Notice that my left knee is bent now. Make sure you twist your spine to get into the pose. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. The third pose is Malasana. Keep shoulder width distance between the legs. Fold your hands. Inhale and squat deeper. This pose is called Malasana. Notice that my toes are slightly pointing outward. Hold this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds or 5 deep breaths. This increases blood circulation in the pelvic region. Let's move on to the seated poses now. The first pose is Vakrasana. From the seated position, bend the left knee. Take your left arm behind the body. Inhale, raise your right hand, bend the elbow. Hold the big toe, twist the spine, look behind. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Notice that the toes of my right foot is pointing towards me. Now inhale, turn. Exhale, relax. Perform this pose on the other side as well. It stimulates the reproductive organs by enhancing the blood flow. Make sure you keep your back straight. Now inhale, raise the hands, extend the legs and relax. Now let us do Baddha Konasana. Bend both the knees. Join the sole of the feet together. Keep your heels close to your body. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out slowly and bend forward. Use your elbows and press the thigh down. If you have good flexibility, you can bend deeper. Hold the pose for 5 breaths. This pose is very helpful for women with irregular periods. Inhale and come up. exhale, relax. Get ready for the supine poses now. The first pose is Uttana Padasana. Inhale and lift your legs to 45 degrees. Toes pointing away, knees completely extended. Breathe in and breathe out for 5 times or hold it for 30 seconds minimum. Now bend both the legs, hold it and interlock your fingers. Be in this position for some time. Now let us transit into Pavana Muktasana. Inhale, lift your head, place your chin in between your knees. Breathe in and breathe out for 5 times. Exhale, lower your head. Relax. Let us now do Setu Bandhasana. Keep your knees bent. Inhale, squeeze your butt and lift it up. Hold this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds or 5 deep breaths. Exhale, slowly lower your body. Straighten your knees and relax. Let us add some back bending poses to the routine now. The first pose is Bhujangasana. Lie down on your abdomen. Keep your elbows bent and close to your chest. Inhale, lift your chest up. Gaze at the ceiling. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly for 5 times. This is an excellent yoga pose for your reproductive organs. Now exhale slowly, lower your body. We will now do Dhanurasana. Bend both your knees, hold your ankle. Inhale, lift your chest up. This is a good starting point if you are a beginner. Stay in this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds. If you have a good flexibility, try to pull the legs up. Look at the ceiling. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly for 5 times. Now exhale, slowly lower your body. Release your legs. Relax. Conclude your yoga practice with Bhramari Pranayama and Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, each for 2 rounds. Weight loss will definitely help for women with PCOS condition. Let us understand some changes you can make to your daily diet. Eat a high protein and low carb diet. Include milk, sprouts, sunflower seeds, nuts such as almonds, walnuts, drinking barley water is an excellent replacement for a meal. Don't forget to eat a wide variety of fruits. Last but not the least, tender coconut. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like, comment and share this video.